Thutha wa itua ria igoti kurekererio ni majaji mugwanja igoti ikaru ria gukindira uhotani wa William Ruto ta president muthure, mawakiri a mwena wa thitango nimonanitie kwaga kuiganira na itua riri.
Of 2022, Raila Odinga
mawakiri aya matongoretio ni governor wa county ya Siaya James Orengo ni ugite igoti ni ringirutire kamiti ya ithurano na miaka bururi-ini ya IEBC watho wa kuhingura mitambo yao niguo ithurimwo kana ni yathogirwo kana sha udure igoti riri riteanirie.
I want to say without a fear of contradiction that we do not agree with the decision of the Supreme Court. Like Al Gore, I will say we accept the decision, but we do not agree with it.
Orengo ni akinyiririe kuuga raia atatu kuma bururi-ini wa Venezuela ni mathogire mitambo ya IEBC, undu uria augite igoti riri ritinekirira hindi ya kurekereria itua riayo rigie mateta mao cira-ini wa gutetia maumirira ma giturwa kia president.
About those intrusions and invasions of the system, the technology, the IT structure, that again the court did not refer to, but probably in the judgment, the recent judgment that is coming on the 21st, they will say something about it.
Mwena-ini wa mawakiri aria makoretwo marugamiriire mutongoria wa ngwataniro Kenya Kwanza William Ruto na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua gucokia thitango cira-ini uria uramagumire ni maugite ni maiganirite na itua riri, makiuga kamiti ya IEBC ni atafaniria githurano kina uma na waragania. Matongoretio ni wakiri Fred Gatia ni maugite mwena wa thitango ndunahota kuonania wira muiganu wigie cira uyu na uguo kumahe ihinda ihuthu ria gwitetera.
That people just don't go with allegations to court. It's one thing to have allegations in court, you know. Don't over dramatize things. Don't draft an election petition like you're doing a book of science fiction. Do it like a lawyer.
Idaini riu mwandiki munene wa kiama kia UDA Veronica Maina hamwe na Babu na Mwamba ni macoketie ngatho kuri aria othe marugamite nao hamwe na ikundi tiganite cia eroreri a githurano kuma mabururi-ini matiganite aria maugite ni monanitie mwihoko na uria githurano kinene giatafanirio na njira ya waragania.
To thank God also for the Supreme Court Justice and the CJ for the unanimous decision. It makes it easier for the Kenyans to move on.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.